Preparing nutritious homemade meals for your little one starts with the right kitchen helper. Best blender for baby food options make it easier to create smooth purees, blend fruits and vegetables, and prepare fresh, healthy meals in minutes while saving time for busy parents. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Grownsy Steamer Blender. The Grownsy Steamer Blender is a practical and thoughtfully designed solution for parents who want to prepare fresh, homemade baby food without filling the kitchen with multiple appliances. Combining steaming, blending, and sterilizing functions in a single unit, it simplifies the entire meal preparation process from start to finish. Instead of steaming ingredients separately and transferring them to another blender, everything can be completed in one convenient machine. This saves valuable time while reducing cleanup, making it especially appealing for busy parents navigating the weaning stage. One of the standout features of this baby food maker is its nutrient-preserving steaming basket. Unlike boiling, which can cause water-soluble vitamins such as B and C to leach into the cooking water, the elevated steaming design helps retain more of the natural nutrients found in fruits and vegetables. This means babies can enjoy meals that are not only fresh, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. For parents focused on providing nutritious homemade meals, this feature adds significant value. The blender offers both automatic and manual mixing modes, allowing parents to create different textures as their baby grows. Smooth purees can be prepared for younger infants, while chunkier blends can be made for babies transitioning to more solid foods. This flexibility extends the usefulness of the appliance beyond the earliest feeding stages. The intuitive digital controls make operations simple and beginner-friendly, even for first-time parents.
Number 2. EVLA'S Maker Blender Maker. The EVLA'S Maker Blender Maker is designed to make homemade baby food preparation easier, healthier, and more convenient for parents. Featuring steaming, blending, and pureeing capabilities in one compact appliance, it eliminates the need for multiple kitchen tools and streamlines the process of creating fresh meals for infants. Whether preparing fruits, vegetables, or meats, this all-in-one machine allows parents to control ingredients and textures while ensuring food is cooked thoroughly before blending. A major advantage of this baby food maker is its integrated steaming system. Properly steaming ingredients before blending helps preserve natural flavors and create softer textures that are easier for babies to digest. The process is simple. Add water to the tank, place ingredients inside, steam them until fully cooked, and then blend to the desired consistency. This three-step cooking method ensures food is evenly prepared and avoids the risk of partially cooked ingredients, which can sometimes occur with traditional cooking methods. The EVLA'S Maker Blender also stands out for its user-friendly touchscreen controls. The intuitive display makes it easy to select settings and adjust steaming time, temperature, and blending functions. Parents can customize meal preparation according to their baby's age and dietary needs with just a few taps. This straightforward operation is particularly beneficial for new parents who may be preparing homemade baby food for the first time. Number 3. Momcozy AutoMeal Blender. The Momcozy AutoMeal Blender is a modern baby food maker designed to reduce the time and effort required to prepare healthy, homemade meals for infants. With its automatic steaming and blending functions, this appliance takes much of the guesswork out of meal preparation while delivering consistently smooth and nutritious results. Parents simply add ingredients, select a mode, and allow the machine to handle the cooking and blending process. This hands-free convenience makes it particularly attractive for busy households where efficiency matters. One of the most impressive features is the automatic cooking system. After only a few minutes of ingredient preparation, the machine steams and blends food in a single container without requiring transfers between separate devices. This not only reduces cleanup, but also helps preserve valuable nutrients. Since ingredients remain in the same cup throughout the process, water-soluble vitamins are retained within the puree, rather than being discarded during cooking. The result is a healthier meal, packed with natural nutrition. The 6-blade cyclone blending system further enhances performance. Compared to standard 4-blade designs, the 6-blade configuration delivers more consistent blending and smoother textures.
Combined with 360-degree steaming, it ensures ingredients are evenly cooked and processed. This is especially useful for parents introducing solids and creating digestible meals for younger babies.
Number 4. NutriBullet 32-ounce blender. The NutriBullet 32-ounce blender is an excellent choice for parents who prefer a straightforward and efficient system for preparing homemade baby food. Unlike many all-in-one steam and blend appliances, this model focuses on powerful blending and meal storage, making it ideal for families who like to batch prepare food in advance. Its compact design and user-friendly operation make it approachable for first-time parents, while still offering enough versatility for long-term use. By allowing complete control over ingredients, it helps parents create fresh, nutritious meals without relying on store-bought baby food that may contain unnecessary additives or preservatives.
One of the biggest strengths of this system is its ability to simplify meal preparation and storage. The included 32-ounce batch bowl allows users to prepare larger quantities of food at one time, which is particularly useful for busy parents who prefer weekly meal prep. Once food is blended, the included storage cups and freezer tray make portioning simple and organized. The date ring lids help track freshness, ensuring meals are consumed within an appropriate time frame. This thoughtful storage system helps reduce waste while making feeding schedules easier to manage.
Number 5. Bear Grinding Blender. The Bear Grinding Blender is a versatile and family-friendly baby food maker designed to make homemade meal preparation easier, faster, and more efficient. By combining multiple functions into one compact appliance, it eliminates the need for several separate kitchen devices. This all-in-one unit can steam, blend, sterilize baby bottles, and warm milk, making it a valuable addition to any household with infants or toddlers. Its space-saving design helps keep countertops organized while simplifying daily feeding routines. Parents who prefer preparing fresh and nutritious meals at home will appreciate the convenience and flexibility this appliance provides. One of the most impressive features of the Bear Grinding Blender is its generous 18.5-ounce capacity, which allows users to prepare larger batches of baby food in a single session. This can save significant time for busy parents by reducing the frequency of meal preparation. The dual-layer steaming basket further enhances efficiency by allowing different ingredients to be steamed simultaneously while keeping flavors separate. Fruits, vegetables, and proteins can be cooked at the same time, making it easier to create balanced and varied meals. The blender function produces smooth purees with consistent texture, suitable for different stages of a child's development. With its combination of convenience, versatility, and practical design, the Bear Grinding Blender is an excellent solution for parents seeking a reliable and efficient baby food preparation system.